What if the hardest job to get in America is your very first one? In the last 18 months, entry-level jobs have quietly dropped by nearly 35%. Not during a recession, not during a crisis, but during one of the fastest technological booms in history. AI isn't just changing work, it's erasing the starting line. For decades, the path was simple. Graduate, get a junior job, learn the ropes, climb the ladder. But now that first step is disappearing. The emails, automated. The reports generated. The customer service replies, handled by AI before a human ever sees them. So where does that leave millions of young Americans entering the workforce? This isn't just a job market shift. It's a structural transformation of opportunity itself. Because if entry-level jobs disappear, then how does anyone gain experience? And if no one gains experience, what happens to the future workforce? Tonight we uncover the truth behind AI's silent takeover and why the American dream may be changing forever. A 35% drop sounds dramatic, but what does it actually mean? It doesn't mean companies stopped hiring altogether. It means they stopped hiring the way they used to. Entry-level roles have historically been built around repetition, tasks like data entry, scheduling, basic reporting, and customer support. These roles weren't glamorous, but they were essential. They trained millions of workers. Now AI can perform those same tasks faster, cheaper, and 24/7. Companies are realizing something powerful. Why hire 3 junior employees when one AI-assisted worker can do the same job? This isn't a temporary dip, it's a redesign. Industries like finance, marketing, and tech, junior roles are being consolidated or eliminated entirely. Instead of hiring beginners to do basic work, companies are investing in tools that automate it, and the result: fewer openings, higher expectations, and a growing gap between those who can use AI and those who can't. The job market hasn't shrunk, it has evolved. But not everyone is evolving with it. To understand what's changing, we need to understand what AI does best. AI thrives on patterns, repetition, predictability. That's exactly what entry-level jobs used to be: writing emails, formatting reports, organizing spreadsheets, responding to FAQs. These tasks once filled entire workdays. Now, they take seconds. Imagine a junior marketing assistant 5 years ago. Their day might include writing captions, researching trends, and drafting content. Today AI generates all of that instantly. The human role shifts from creator to editor, from executor to supervisor. But here's the twist. That sounds easier, but it's actually harder. Because now, instead of just doing tasks, workers must evaluate quality, spot mistakes, add strategic thinking. AI doesn't remove work, it removes simple work. And what's left? Complex thinking, right at the entry level. A new type of worker is emerging in America. Not just an employee, but an AI-powered operator. These workers don't just complete tasks, they orchestrate systems. They use AI tools to generate ideas, analyze data, automate workflows, scale productivity in many companies. One AI-skilled junior employee can now outperform entire teams from a decade ago. This changes everything. Because hiring managers are no longer looking for hard workers. They're looking for smart amplifiers, people who can multiply output using AI. But this creates a new divide. Those who understand AI become highly valuable. Those who don't struggle to even enter the workforce. The definition of qualified is being rewritten. It's no longer about experience alone. It's about how effectively you can use intelligence, both human and artificial. In the past, entry-level jobs were designed to protect beginners from big decisions. Not anymore. Today's junior employees are expected to review AI-generated outputs, make judgment calls, identify risks and errors. That's a massive responsibility shift. Why? Because AI can produce answers, but it can't guarantee they're correct. So companies rely on humans to verify the truth. This means new hires must think critically from day one. There's less room for trial and error, slow learning curves, passive work. Instead, there's pressure to perform immediately. The result: faster growth for some, overwhelm for others. AI compresses time. It accelerates learning, but also expectations. And for many young workers, the question becomes, are they being empowered, or are they being pushed too fast, too soon? The American career ladder isn't broken. It's being rebuilt. The first step hasn't disappeared. It's just higher entry. Level jobs now demand intelligence, adaptability, AI fluency. The future belongs to those who evolve. Because in the age of AI, success isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with machines. The first job isn't gone. It just requires a smarter version of you.